Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys where you can find the hidden cave in Heartopia. So this is underwater. You're going to start where the Dolphin's Trap is, which is here. This one's like the easiest route you can do, I guess. So from here, you're going to swim straight ahead like so. And to the left, wait, I don't think I'm there yet. Okay, yeah, I'm here. So to the left, you will see this like area and you'll go in this like cave and you will see this like beautiful area and you can take pictures, which is here. And yeah, that's where it is, super pretty. To go out, you're just going to turn right and you'll see this one is like in the Jellyfish Cove, well, next to it, around the area. But I've seen a lot of people take pictures like here. So yeah, that is basically it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.